Now, days after the Supreme Court put a hold on implementation of the 3 new farm laws, farmer leaders now are going to be holding the 9th round of talks with the central leadership at Delhi's Vigyan Bhavan. Farmers have reached Vigyan Bhavan in a bid to reach a breakthrough over the contentious farm laws. Farmers have maintained that they won't accept anything less than a complete repeal of the new farm laws, whereas the centre has made it clear that they would not do so unless and until the Supreme Court deems them illegal. So far, farmers have met the centre 8 times and only a little headway has been achieved. In fact, the biggest bone of contention remains the demand of withdrawal of the laws and an MSP guarantee. 9 rounds of talks. In fact, the 9th round today comes in the backdrop of Bhupinder Man's decision not to take part as one of the expert panelists, which the Supreme Court appointed. Supreme Court had appointed a committee, 4 members, expert members, to mediate between the farmers and the government and try and understand the farm laws. And here is Bhupinder Man, one of those panelists who backs off, quits, saying that he believes that the farm laws are not in favor of Punjab farmers and that he would not do anything in his position to compromise with the interests of the farmers of the nation here, and of course those farmers of Punjab particularly.
ये जो वार्ता है, हम तो यही चाहते हैं कि स्वार्थपूर्ण वातावरण के अंदर वार्ता हो और उसका एक समाधान हो, और लगातार ये 9 दौर की वार्ता हो चुकी है और ये 10वें दौर की वार्ता है, और इस बीच में सुप्रीम कोर्ट का भी निर्णय आ गया है। तो जो कमेटी गठित की गई है सुप्रीम कोर्ट की, उसके सामने किसान अपनी बात को रखे ताकि एक इस समस्या का समाधान हो सके, क्योंकि ये बिल है, ये वास्तव में किसानों के जीवन के अंदर परिवर्तन करने वाले और किसान के हित के बिल है।
हम पहले ऐलान किया था 1 महीना पहले कि 26 तारीख किसान परेड करेंगे और संपूर्ण शांतिपूर्ण रूप से करेंगे, और सरकारी हमारा जो प्रोग्राम है पूरा देश में वो खत्म होने का बाद ही करेंगे, ये हम ऐलान किया। इसके बावजूद भी बहुत सारे झूठ हमारे खिलाफ फैलाया गया है।
Our reporter is joining us for more details on that. Anand Patel and Paulamik to give us perspectives there. Anand, I'm going to come to you. This meeting there is very crucial as it comes in the backdrop of a big question mark on the future of the Supreme Court appointed committee. Considering Bhupinder Man, one of those panelists, quits, citing that he wants to stand with the farmers and he does not want to compromise with their interest. In the wake of this, farmers are meeting with the government. Do take us through what's expected.
Well, absolutely. Well, yes, Nabila, it's a big setback to the Supreme Court's initiative to end the deadlock. It appointed a 4-member committee, but one of the members of the committee has backed off, citing, question marks over the entire exercise. Now, what are we left with? Again, the centre and the farmers are back on table today. But it remains to be seen as to what will be the agenda. Because
right. Anand, do stay with us. Rakesh Tikkat, farmer leader, his reaction coming in on this.
आप अपने ऑफिस से आए, वहाँ रिपोर्टिंग कर रहे, अंगूठा लगा के आए वहाँ पे। आप जब घर जाओगे तो पहले ऑफिस जाके कैमरा रख कर अपने घर जाओगे, ठीक है? तो बिल जो लेकर आए वो पार्लियामेंट लेकर आए, वहीं खत्म हो गए, बस हो गया, उनसे ही खत्म करवाएंगे। भाई इनकी रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी, इनकी भी ये कहेंगे कि बिल बहुत बढ़िया है, बिल्कुल नंबर 1 में आए। ये तो आएगी इनकी रिपोर्ट, तो जो एक कमेटी बनी ट्रिपल कैप है, अभी भाई बंदूक का पहरा है, अभी डबल कैप नहीं है। इसमें कोई फार्मूला नहीं बचा जिसको लागू कर सके।
कोर्ट के आदेश के बाद लगता है कि जो गतिरोध है वो कम होगा।
नहीं, कोर्ट में तो हम जाए नहीं रहे, ना कोर्ट न कानून बनाए।
नहीं, कमेटी तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बना दी है ना, तो क्या
हमने कहा कि ये कानून
कमेटी से बेहतर क्या सरकार की बैठक मानते हैं?
सरकार बेहतर है। हाँ, सरकार बैठक है, तो इसीलिए तो बुलाए।
क्या वजह वही है? क्या 7वें दौर की जो वार्ता में जो 2 मुद्दों पर जो सहमति बनी थी, क्या लगता है कि वही आगे
देखो, कानून वापसी लेने पड़ेंगे, MSP पे कानून बनाना पड़ेगा, उसका फार्मूला सरकार को निकालना पड़ेगा।
लेकिन राकेश जी, ये तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट की अवमानना हुई ना आदेश।
देखिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट,
अरे नहीं भाई, ये बताओगे सुप्रीम कोर्ट की अवमानना। 26 जनवरी में तो चलेंगे और सलाह करेंगे अपने सब लोगों से कैसे चलना है, सलाह करेंगे।
तो क्या आज की बैठक में किन मुद्दों पर चर्चा होगी?
हमारे मुद्दे भी वही है, स्थान भी वही है, हम भी वही है, सरकार भी वही है। कानून सरकार ने बनाए, कानून पार्लियामेंट से बनाए, पार्लियामेंट से ही खत्म हो गए।
सरकार कहती है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट में मामला अब जा पहुंचा है और सरकार...
चलो 2 महीने बाद में बातचीत कर लेंगे भाई। जो कमेटी है वो रिपोर्ट ये देगी कि कानून ठीक है, 2 महीने बाद में बातचीत कर लेंगे।
नहीं, लेकिन जब कमेटी
मैं कह रहा कि कमेटी अगर 2 महीने बाद में रिपोर्ट देगी,
कमेटी के एक सभ्य तो पीछे
ठीक है, और तो 2 महीने बाद में बात कर लेंगे। सरकार क्यों बुला रही फिर बात करने के लिए?
क्या सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जो सुनवाई है सोमवार को, उसको
वो
लेकर
दूसरे इशू पे होगी, वो शायद 26 तारीख वाले पे होगी।
क्या अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट आदेश देता है उसके बावजूद भी आप
ऐसे कैसे करेंगे? सुप्रीम कोर्ट आदेश देगा, कौन है, किसकी हिम्मत है कि फिर भाई सुप्रीम कोर्ट को तो कोर्ट
आदेश
रोक लगा देगी
ना।
तो
रोक लगा देगी तो फिर आपका पोस्टपोन हो जाएगा ना।
अरे फिर बाहर कर लेंगे। 26 तारीख के पूरे उस पर थोड़ा रोक लगा रही है।
नहीं, आपने अभी भी कहा है कि
वो पर्टिकुलर क्या
लाल किला से लेकर इंडिया गेट तक जाएंगे आप।
भाई उनकी परेड जो आएगी और राष्ट्रपति भवन से इंडिया गेट तक आएगी। हमने कहा कि लाल किले से वहां, तो दोनों मेल मिलाप वहां कर लेंगे।
लुटियंस दिल्ली में आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जो सिक्योरिटी है वो
हाँ।
काफी।
All right, cutting across to Paulami Saha, bringing us details. She's at Vigyan Bhavan. Paulami, here farmers, we heard the farmers leader, Rakesh Tikkat. He seems quite firm. He says that he believes in the government rather than the committee more. He does not have faith in the committee. And this comes in the wake of Bhupinder Maan, one of the panelists in the Supreme Court appointed committee, quits from the panel saying that he wants to completely side with the farmers, does not want to compromise with their interests. So the future of the committee itself is in question now. And the farmers enter the 9th round of talks with the government. What's to expect here?
Well, yes, the farmers have been maintaining from the start that they're not going to go before any sort of committee. Even the government at various stages during the various rounds of talks with the farmers had proposed forming a committee which would have some members from the farmers unions, some members from the government side, maybe some independent observers as well who were agricultural economists or those who are considered to be stakeholders as far as agriculture is concerned, form a committee and then of course discuss clause by clause the provisions of the law that the farmers had a problem with, but that was something which was consistently rejected by the farmers during those various rounds of conversations that they had with the government. So they aren't going to go before any sort of committee, even if it is Supreme Court appointed. What they maintain is that we didn't go to the Supreme Court. We did not approach the Supreme Court. So why should we follow something where only the government can, you know, in a way come forward and meet our demand? Only the government can repeal the law, which is our only long-standing demand. It is not something that a committee can decide on, really. At the best, a committee can give a report to the Supreme Court. And now, of course, they say that there is a cloud of doubt over the composition of this committee and its members itself, who have in the past stated, at least 3 of them, and have stated that they in fact stand with the farm laws. Maybe possible amendments could be made to the farm laws, but there is no need of withdrawing. So it is a biased committee is what the farmers are saying. And now with Bhupinder Singh Maan recusing himself from the committee, they say that the committee does not stand in itself and its own independence stands questioned, as a result of which we will not go before a committee. It is for the government now to decide whether they will meet our demands or not. Otherwise, our agitation will continue.
Now, we heard that. Thank you very much, Paulami, for joining us with those details. Here you have the farmer leader who spoke very firm that they're going to continue their agitation unless and until the government quashes those laws and comes up with a formula. It's the government's duty to come up with a formula on guaranteed MSP. And here they head to Vigyan Bhavan. They've just reached, going to be talking with officials from the centre, the 9th round.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.